money hack. On your pathway to wealth and true affluence, and when I say true affluence, I'm talking independence. I'm here at the hangar. I've been out flying most of the morning. You know, you're talking about a net worth between 10 and probably 60 mil is really going to suffice and put you in a position where you never have to fear of money again. You never have to think about it anymore. Just the management and the cultivation of it. Not so much the generation, more the preservation. But that's going to take some time. You know, and you've got to remember there's going to be some hardship, there is going to be a ton of letdowns, there's going to be a shitload of troughs, not peaks, but tons of troughs, and you'll second guess yourself. It's going to be a 4 to 7 year period before you really start to harvest results in a big way. By the time you sort of establish some skills around money, not just your vocation, profession, or your trade, but rather build the skills that you know, perpetuate that money, keep it coming in. It might be 400 grand, 650,000, 1.1 mil. It's going to take some skills to put that together. But I'm going to make one thing clear. It requires tenacity. And this is where your vision is paramount. When you put that big vision, like that northern star out there, and it's like, I'm in. I am in. I don't care, regardless of the suffering, what I've got to go through, just sign me up, I'm doing it. When you hit that point, that's when I think things change fast. That point of inflection where you've decided all stops are out, there is no excuse. I'm responsible, I'm going to do it. That's when things start to turn. It took me 7 years to get my helicopter license. Now, most people will do that in 2.5. Look, someone's a bit of a slow learner would be 3. But it was stop, start for me. You know, I wouldn't believe in it. I'd have trouble. I'd had trouble studying. I'd lose sort of hope. Never going to learn this. There's just so much going on. It's a completely new language, but it's serious stuff and the stakes are high. I hadn't studied for 20 years. It was all difficult, but it took me 7 years, about the same amount of time it's going to take you to excel in the sport of money. But see it through. Today I can fly. I love it. I absolutely love it. I've done nearly 3 hours and mentally I'm exhausted, but there was a time where it just didn't even seem possible. Like you, perhaps with money. It just seems so far-fetched and so far in the distance, it doesn't feel realistic. But believe, be tenacious. I'm going to put it all in today. I don't care what it takes. Happy investing. Enjoy your week. Bye for now.